Chat. Guess where I'm at today? Doesn't matter, I'm gonna tell you anyway. Walmart. What's popping? We got get some Christmas stuff, man. I been realizing the whole time I've been doing this little Vlogmas thing, I ain't did much no Christmas stuff. And it's supposed to be Vlogmas. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Christmas decorations and y'all gonna help me decorate my tree today. Wow, 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 wow. Can y'all believe Christmas is literally in like what, 3 days? 3-4 days, cuz? It's coming quick, man. It's coming quick. And I got a lot of more stuff to do. I gotta figure out what we're gonna eat. I'm cooking. I gotta get presents still. I'm barely getting this stuff for the trees. You want a different one? That one it's not raggedy? Yeah, man. I still got a lot to do, man. Whole lot. But yeah. Right now I'm gonna come in here and get some lights for the tree. And I'm gonna try this little hack on TikTok. I heard they was using balloons for the ornaments because ornaments is quite too expensive. See what's going on. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I went to the store, got all the ornaments and stuff. Remember I told y'all I was trying to do a hack this year. So I did still get ornaments, but I also got balloons. And we're trying this balloon hack. So tell me what y'all think so far. The tree, how's it coming? Gotta fix that balloon down there. It's a saggy one. But yeah, what y'all think, man? This is not the final product. I still got lights. I got all these ornaments right here in front of me I gotta put on here, and I got more balloons. So I just want to show y'all, give y'all a little update, show y'all where we at with it. Let me finish putting the rest of these ornaments and these lights on here. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all and show y'all the final product. All right, chat, this is the final product of the tree, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Your boy went crazy. There we go with the lights off. Some minor tweaks maybe. Now that I'm on the camera, I can see that the portion. Oops. Y'all go doing stuff. Tell me what y'all think about the tree, man. Don't mind my store. Gotta get the Christmas presents under here. But once I get the presents under there, it's gonna really go crazy, go stab it. But yeah, Christmas tree finally up, man. 3 days before Christmas. 4 days. We're going stupid, man. Y'all keep logged in. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, turn your post notifications, stupid. Chat. All right, y'all seen the Christmas tree? Your boy is in the kitchen again, man. We got dinner going stupid. Got some fish fillets right here. I'm finna go done with. Got my, what do you call this? Whatever, my flour, a little bacon. Cornstarch bacon, nigga. Flour, some cornstarch. Going stupid with the fish. The base, I don't know what you call it. Flour, whatever, cornstarch. Into the grease. We going crazy, man. Smooth back in the kitchen again. Y'all know what's going on. Vlogmas episode 18. We ain't doing nothing but staying consistent, going crazy all year, man. Still going crazy in the kitchen right now. We got that golden fish going stupid, fresh out. I got my pot going. Still got a couple pieces in there. We're gonna let that cook down. We gotta get it that nice golden flavor right there. And then I got a couple more pieces I need to throw in there. While I was doing that, letting that cook, I came over here. I prepped my chicken wings, you know what I'm saying? Cleaned them, got them all nice seasoned and marinated. All I'm doing is waiting on my my fish fryer to get, all I'm doing is waiting on my deep fryer to finish getting clean. And I'm gonna be able to go ahead and get cracking. Yeah, chat, that's the final product right there, man. Got the mac. Got my salad with a little bacon, pepper, salt, nice, stupid. Got my wings right here, my fried fish. Man, smooth really cooks, man. So don't forget, replays, stay out the way. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications for more bangers. That way